Welcome to Cooking with AI, where we show you how to use the latest AI tools as your ultimate kitchen companion. Whether it's perfecting a classic or creating something new, AI can help you to cook smarter, not harder. Today we're talking about salad dressing. Here's the thing. Most people reach for a bottle of store-bought dressing, but making your own takes minutes, tastes fresher, and can be tailored to exactly what you like. And this is where AI really shines. Instead of memorizing recipes, you can prompt AI to build a dressing based on what you have at hand, or even to match the cuisine that you're serving. Almost every dressing follows a simple formula. 1 part acid, like lemon juice, vinegar or lime, 3 parts oil, olive, avocado, sesame, you name it. And then flavor boosters like mustard, garlic, honey, herbs, spices, and of course, don't forget seasoning, salt and pepper to finish. So if you can balance these elements, you've got yourself a salad dressing. Now, here's how to use AI to make this even easier. We're going to tell it the cuisine or vibe. I want Mediterranean dressing for tomatoes and cucumbers, something like that. Tell it what's in your pantry. I've got rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and ginger. Or tell it your goals. I want something creamy but dairy-free. AI can instantly generate a custom recipe, suggest substitutes if you're missing ingredients, and even give you nutritional tweaks like cutting sugar or boosting protein. Let's give it a try. So say we have in the pantry a balsamic vinegar, Dijon, honey, garlic, and olive oil. Let's see what we get there. Here's a well-balanced vinaigrette recipe using your ingredients. Gives you instructions on how to whisk them together. It's suggesting a bowl or a jar, some great serving suggestions, and then it's offering would it like a lighter version. So maybe, yeah, we are calorie conscious. How can I reduce calories on this? So here are some strategies to shift those ratios that I was talking about, ways that you can boost flavor without oil, a creamy but low-cal option. Like I said, there's a whole lot of things we can do here. Maybe we are cooking Asian food tonight. Can this take a more Asian style flavor profile? And here we go with sesame-soy balsamic vinaigrette. It's going to give us a few other options. So you can see there are many ways here you can tailor this recipe and come up with the perfect dressing based on what you have and what you want. So instead of memorizing recipes, just remember the formula: acid, oil, flavor, seasoning, and then let AI do the customizing. You'll never run out of ideas, and every salad gets the perfect finishing touch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out the earlier episodes on roast chicken and roast potatoes. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI kitchen hacks coming soon.